Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to discuss about some questions and concepts based on relationship between two variables, and then we'll deal with two variable equations. Okay, let's try to understand this lesson. For example, first question is Sharina has a coupon for 0.75 dirham of any salad at a restaurant. The total cost C is equal to the cost of her salad S minus 0.75 dirham. The rule is S minus 0.75. They are already given the rule here. Maybe in exam they will not give the rule, so you will have to write yourself. So see, this line is already written here, S minus 0.75. Okay, so from this you will make the equation S minus 0.75 and it is equal to the cost C. Okay, so in two variable equation we have two things. One is called input and another is called output. Okay, or for input we say this is independent variable, and for output we say this is dependent variable. Okay, now what next here you can have? There are some values given to us. Maybe input will be given and output will be required, or output will be given and input will be required. For example, see, find the value of the output C when the value of input is 2.79. So this is the value of input, means this is S. So C will be equal to S means 2.79 minus 0.75. So it will be, just subtract it, 9 minus 5, it will be 4, and 7 minus 7, it will be 0, and 2 minus 0, it will be 2. So this is the value of output C when input S is 0.75. Okay. Next is each pie at a bakery cost 9.50 dirham. The total cost C of P pies is equal to 9.50 times P. Okay. Now you see there, here they have not given the equation. Okay. So what we have to do, we'll write the equation. So this is C is equal to 9 times 9.50 times P. Times means multiply. Okay. Now you see P is the input and C is the output, or P is the independent variable and C is the dependent variable. Now find the number of P, that is input. Here now this time we have to find input. So what is the output here? 19. So 19 is equal to 9.50 times P. So how you will find the value of P? Just by divide both sides by 9.50, as we have done in the previous lessons also. 9.50 division. So P is equal to 19 over 9.50. Now you will have to simplify it. Okay. So how you will simplify this? You see, up there is in numerator there is no decimal point, but in denominator there are two decimal points. So cancel this denominator, or you just make here double zero like this and then cancel the decimal point. Okay. Now 10 cancelled out. So finally we are getting 190 over 95. So if you remember the table of 19, you can divide it easily. 19 times 10 is 190 and 19 times 5 is 95, and 10 over 5 means 2. So this is the value of input 2 when output is 19. Okay. Now next is, the table shows the cost C of buying T movie tickets. Write an equation to represent the relationship between C and T. Okay. Now see, what is here? Value of T is 1, then value of C is 7. So if you see, 1 multiply 7 will be 7. Then 2 multiply 7 is 14. Then 3 multiply 7 is 21. And then 4 multiply 7 is 28. Make sure that this number is same everywhere. Okay. The rule what we are setting here, this rule should be same everywhere. So what we can say here, that value of C is 7 times value of T. So this is the rule. Okay. So here C will be taken as the dependent variable, T will be taken as the independent variable. Okay. Now I am sure in the choice, if it is a multiple choice question, there will be an option like T is equal to 7C also. Okay. So this option will be wrong because value of T is not 7 times the value of C, but this option will be correct. T is equal to C over 7. Okay, because if you do the reverse process, then 28 divided by 7 is 4, 21 divided by 7 3, 14 divided by 2, 14 divided by 7 2, 7 divided by 7 1. Okay, so maybe this option will be correct, or if this option is given, then it will be correct. Okay, now next is the same type of question with a different relation. The table shows the total cost of the bowling and any number of games and renting bowling shoes. Write a two-step equation to represent the total cost C for the bowling G games. Now, students, remember one thing, that there is a simple relation between two variables, y is equal to ax plus b. See, in place of y you can use any variable, in place of x you can use any variable. For example, in place of y here it is c, in place of x here it is g. So what will be the relation in this case? C is equal to a times g plus b. Now our prime target is to find the value of a and b. Okay, so if graph is given to us, then b is the point cut on y-axis. Okay, that I will tell you separately in different question. Now here how you will find the value of a and how you will find the value of b. So try to understand this. Subtract all these numbers. Okay, means 10 minus 6 4, 14 minus 10 4, 18 minus 14 4. Okay, make sure that this subtraction is same. Okay, here also 4 minus 3 1, 3 minus 2 1, and 2 minus 1 1. Okay, so if it is same, then what will be the value of a? Value of a will be 4 over 1, means second value of minus and then this side of minus. Okay, and 4 over 1 is equal to 4. Now how you will find the value of b? Value of b is very easy to find. How? You see, just take the value of a, multiply by the first number, this is equal to 4. And how much is less or more than this first value of c? So here you see first value is 6 and here we are getting 4 only. So how much is less? Only that 2. So 2 is left. Yes. So you just subtract this number from 6. So this will be 6 minus 4 means 2. Okay. Again, for the value of b, try to understand it again. Okay. See, if you will go to the senior classes like grade 9, 10, 11, okay, then you will have easy method to find the value of b. But I cannot use these terms here because this is for the different lesson. Okay. Now see, how you will find the value of b? Take the first number minus this value of a with multiplication of this first number. Okay. So 4 multiply 1. 4 is this answer and 1 I have taken from here. Okay, the first number. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So what will be the answer? C is equal to 4g plus 2. And you can check the answer also. You see, first you take the value of g as 1. So put it here 1. 4 multiply 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. For 6 it is okay. Then now take the value of g as 2. So what you will get here? You will get 4 multiply 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Here we are getting 10. Then take the value of g as 3. 4 multiply 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So again we are getting the same answer. Okay. And then the last value, just to check only. See, this is 4. Value of g is 4. So 4 multiply 4 is 16 and 16 plus 2, 18. Okay. So like this we can match all the numbers in the table. It means this answer is correct. Okay. Now, next is the equation b is equal to 10a represents the number of pencils b in a box, in a boxes. Graph the relationship on the coordinate plane. You see how you will draw the graph. This is very easy for you to understand. See, I'll tell you, b and A. Two numbers are there. So write here A, write here B. B means 10A. Okay. So if value of A is 0, then value of B will be what? 10 multiply 0 means 0. So what will be the point? 0 and 0, because value A represents on x-axis and value B is represented on y-axis. So another value of A you take. So I am taking value of A as 1. So value of B will be 10 multiply 1, that is 10. So what will be the point? 1, 10. Minimum you need 2 points to draw the line. But just for confirmation that your points and calculations are correct or no, you can take 3 points. It's okay for you. Okay, so 1 point is here, that is 0, 0. And another point is 1, 10. So 1 here on the x-axis and 10 there on y-axis. So it will go somewhere upside, okay, because this is 8. So 9 here, 10 here somewhere, okay. And then join the points with the straight line like this, okay. You can see this point is coming almost on this line. So this is the required line. Okay, like this. This is the common method to take to draw the line. Again, you see, take two values of x and then find two values on y. Okay, and then represent that coordinate on the graph, coordinate axis, and then draw the line by joining these 2 points. Next is the equation C is equal to 2b plus 6 represents the total cost C of B sets of beads and one necklace string. Graph the relationship on the coordinate plane. You see, again this is the same type. So one thing is B, another thing is C, means 2b plus 6. This is output. Now if I take value of B as 0, then value of C will be 2 times 0 plus 6 means 6. So what will be the point? Point will be 0, 6. So value of x is 0 and value of y is 6. So point will be here. Okay. Now another point, if I take value of B as 1, so C will be equal to 2 times 1 plus 6 means 8. So what will be the point? 1, 8. So here value of x is 1, value of y is 8. So point will come here. Okay. So simple, join these 2 points with a straight line and you will get the answer. Okay. Next is, okay, one more thing. Here in this question, it can be find the value of C when there are some specific beads. For example, if they say if value of B is 10, then find the value of C. So it will be just a simple calculation, okay. It will be 2 multiply 10 plus 6 means 26. Okay, this is the additional information I told you. It is not related with this question. Now, find the equation of the line for the given graph. Now you see, this is the reverse process, okay. We have to find the line equation when graph is given to us. So what general rule I told you? Y is equal to AX plus B. Y is equal to AX plus B. So what is B here? B is the value where line cut y-axis. Okay, value where line cut on y-axis. So you see, this is the line and it is cutting y-axis here. Yes or no? Okay, and what is the value of y here? You see 5. So here it is, value of B is 5. Okay, now when graph is given to us, it's very easy to find the value of B. Okay, now what about A? To find the value of A, you just take 2 points on the line, any 2 points. So for example, I am taking this point. So what is the coordinate of this point? For the coordinate, you first write the value of x and then you write the value of y. Why I have written 0 for x? Because this point lies on x-axis. And why it is written 5 here? Because value of y is 5. Okay. Now take another point also, just for the easy calculation. Anything you point you take, but I am taking this one. Okay. So that we can have a non-zero point also. Now you see, what is the value of x for this point? 1, 2, 3. Value of x is 3. And what is the value of y? 1, 2. Because this is the line here. So 3, 2 is the coordinate. So how you will find the value of A? Value of A will be value of y on the first point, means 5, minus value of y in the second point, that is 2, divided by value of value of x in the first coordinate minus value of x in the second coordinate. This is x and this is y. This is x and this is y. Okay. Now 5 minus 2, 3 over 0 minus 3, minus 3, and 3 divided by minus 3 is minus 1. So value of a is minus 1 and value of b is 5. So what will be the answer? Answer will be y is equal to minus 1 times x plus value of b is 5. So final answer will be minus x plus 5. This is the answer. Okay. Again I will tell you the method. First you find value of b. Okay. B how? Just see where line is cutting y-axis. So whatever it is cutting y-axis, that will be the value of b. And how you will find the value of a? Just consider 2 points, for your comfort, 2 points on the line and write the coordinates. Then in numerator you will write value of y minus value of y divided by value of x in the first coordinate and minus value of x in the second coordinate. Okay. Now next is Ahmed and Mohammed like to ride bikes. The equation m is equal to 12h for Ahmed. See, this is for Ahmed. M is equal to 12h. Okay. Is representing m is the miles and h is the time, hours. Okay. The equation m is equal to 9h is for whom? For Muhammad. Okay. This is for Muhammad. It is m is equal to 9h. So they say, how much longer will it take Muhammad to ride bike 72 miles than Ahmed? So this is the value of m. Okay, that's 72 miles. So if I write here 72 is equal to 12h, and here if I write 72 is equal to 9h. So here divide by 12, divide by 12. So 72 divided by 12 means 6 is equal to h. So Ahmed is taking 6 hours for 72 miles. And how much time Muhammad will take? Divide by 9 and divide by 9. So 72 divided by 9 means 8 is equal to h. So Muhammad will take 8 hours and Ahmed is taking 6 hours. So question is, how much longer will it take Muhammad to bike 72 miles than Ahmed? So Muhammad minus Ahmed will be 8 minus 6 means 2 hours. It will take more for Muhammad than Ahmed. Okay. Now next is, here some spelling mistake is there. This is then. Okay. Now next is, a school sells tickets to their school play through an online ticket company. Each ticket means one ticket cost 8 dirham and the company charges 2.50 processing fee, means this is the extra. This is extra amount per order. Means in one order you can have different number of n number of tickets, but for that total amount they will charge 2.50. Write an equation. Okay. So what simple rule I told you? Y is equal to ax plus b. So whatever you have extra amount goes with b. So this is 2.50. This is the value of b. Okay. And whatever you do with one ticket or per quantity, for one quantity, that goes with a. So this is 8x. So a is the value, 8 is the value of a and 2.5 is the value of b. Okay. So just remember one thing only, that a goes with each price, or price for one person, price for one ticket, price for 1 kilo, anything. Just for one quantity, that is a. Okay students. So hope you understand these questions, and if still any doubt you can write in the comment. Okay, I will try to make it more clear for you, and if you like this, if you think that this video will help you in increasing your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.